What is up, everybody? How's it going? So today we got a quick guess what's in the box video. These are very large boxes. They are from International Tools, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? So today is going to be a quick guess what's in the box video. So both of these boxes are the same size. We're going to do the measurements and everything. The items that's in the box are extremely tight. So there doesn't look like there's any packaging in these boxes. None of them have been open, and the only reason I know that is because there's large gaping holes in the boxes. So they weren't shipped very well or very securely. I'm not sure if you guys can see it or not. There's a giant hole right there. Some here. Yeah, you guys can see it. There's giant holes on both of them, all over them. But the box is 28 inches tall. It is 13 3/8 of an inch wide. And oh no, it's 16 inches wide by 13 3/8 wide the opposite direction. So they're pretty rectangular shaped. I can't remember at the moment. I'm trying to think. Yeah, 16 wide by 13 3/8. Yep, by 28 inches. So they're both exactly the same. What do you guys think's in the boxes? They're both the exact same item. Two of the same item. I'll give you guys a hint. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Leave your guesses down below. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. That's all I got for you guys today. Want to say thank you to all the people that made it possible for the channel to be monetized, all the people that like, dislike, comment, that are subscribed, not subscribed, people that just watch the channel, as well as people that use the affiliate links, and people that watch the ads on the videos every once in a while. You guys are the reason that these two boxes are here. The channel paid for these two items, which I ended up getting a huge discount on. $200+ is what I got off of these items. So they're tools. That's a hint for you guys. They are power tools, or battery operated tools. You guys know I have a lot of Milwaukee tools. Or is it DeWalt, or is it Makita, or is it Ryobi, or is it Earthquake XT, or is it Metabo HPT, or Metabo? Who knows? What do you guys think? Go down below. Appreciate you guys stopping by. I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace!